Look at it fly! Hey, stop that!
Sorry, it was an accident. Look at it go! It's so fast!
Can I try? Here you go, Benjamin. You can try mine.
No, try mine. It's much better.
I'll get them. Yours may be fast, Peter, but it flies all over the place. It'll just end up stuck in a tree. I know that for a fact.
Well, what good is a kite that does tricks if it doesn't go fast?
Here comes the wind. Whoa!
Get ready, Benjamin. Huh? Where'd he go?
Help! Peter! Lily! Benjamin!
Wow! Look at him go!
Fly, Florence! After him!
Come on!
We've got to get that string! That's what happens when you make your kite too fast!
Woohoo! Nobody hops rocks like a rock-hopping rabbit.
I'm going to catch you, Peter! Wait for me!
Watch this!
Wow! Nice jump, Peter!
Tommy Brock. I wonder what he's up to.
In my tummy, they're so wriggly.
Make way! Told you I'd catch you.
This time.
Your turn, Benjamin. Rabbits are brave. Rabbits are brave. Yeah! Oh. Did I make it?
Yes, you made it.
Well done, Benjamin.
What? Nobody move. On second thoughts, move!
Oh no! We're heading right for Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle's house! Oh, that's better.
Run the other way! Whoa!
It's not working!
Whoa!
Peter!
I'm okay. Jump off. I'll catch you.
No, wait! If we jump off, the rock will keep rolling. Right into Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle's house. Smash! Oh, I can't watch.
Whoa. Don't move, Benjamin. I've got to warn Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle.
Poor Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle. Tell me when it's over.
Day and night, go for it all. It's time to fly, come on, the winds begun to blow. 'Cause you and I, we weren't made for going slow. Adventure calls, the game's on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm Chico Bonbon, monkey with a tool belt.
And we're the
Fix-It Boys!
Can you help me, Chico Bonbon?
You got a problem? We can solve them. Fix-It Force, time to bring the awesome.
Tool Force 1 activated.
Let's get to work.
I'm gonna need a spatula that's made of something flexible.
We'll make a bridge out of nothing.
It's better than